everyone, I'm Renee. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new over here, hello there. Please do subscribe my channel. So today we're gonna make mushroom chili, which is super spicy and super easy. So let's get started. First we are going to make a slurry. So for that we'll be needing 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of salt and half cup of water. Give it a good mix until it becomes in flowing consistency. Now add the fresh chopped mushrooms in the slurry and give it a good mix and let the mushrooms absorb the mixture and keep it aside for at least 10 minutes. Now in a medium hot pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil and shallow fry your mushrooms until it becomes crispy from outside and it turns in golden brown color. Now in the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 to 4 green chilies and saute them for a while. Now add some onion petals, some capsicum and give it a good mix and saute it for 2 minutes. So now we're gonna add all of our sauces. So first add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce and give it a good mix and saute it for a minute. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar and give it a good mix. Now add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch water and give it a good mix again. Now add all of our mushrooms in the pan and cook it until all the mushrooms get red in color. Saute them for more 5 minutes and yeah, mushroom chili is ready. Isn't it super easy? Please comment in the comment box if you like this recipe. Thank you.